Welcome to Bigelow Woodcraft. I'm Jerry. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you like the content and you'll be inclined to subscribe. Today on the mill, we have some cedars. I have 3 of them I want to get done today. This is a job for a customer for some of the wood. I don't get cedar too often, and he only said he wants about a pole's worth, this little one worth of 1-bys, and then the rest will be for me. The one I just showed has a little bit of defect to it, but I think we'll get some nice boards out of it. And then there's another one that's probably pretty solid. I don't know how big this is. Let's grab the, oh, here it is. 8. It's going to be a small camp. Nine foot long. So 0.8 times 7, or 8 times 0.7 is, we're going to get about a 5.5 inch to 6 inch camp. Look how big is this side? 10 inch. So I'm going to keep it big. I'm going to go to the 7 inch camp, because if it's 10, I can get 7. I do have this jacked up. I'm going to try to get a 7 inch camp. That way we'll get some true 7 inch boards for most of it, and then they'll be waning on some of them. So we'll go with that. But we're going to get this fired up. The mill hasn't been warmed up yet. I do have the stellite band on there. It's getting close. I'm going to sharpen it probably after today. There's 3 logs to cut through it. I probably got 10 to a dozen logs on it. I just sharpened another stellite last night, so we do have a sharp one back here. And I think I got a couple bands yet that I haven't even used. He wants 1-inch boards, and that's fine with me. So we're going to do that. We won't even need the log roller on this little guy. We'll just use the cant hook. All right, let's get this going. I did make another little modification to the mill. I bought a power supply, a 50 amp, 24 volt power supply, dual weight the battery. And I think it's going to be a lot better in the long run. And I have one more really, really cool feature coming for this mill. Should be here in the next 2 weeks, and it's going to be a while before it gets all hooked up. But stay tuned for that. All right, let's cut and get going. Here's the new power supply. We're just going to turn it on. I'm really not used to milling logs this small. What happened there? Time to cut board. I give you a good look at this. Looks pretty good.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 20, 20.
Must be a rabbit living under there. Abby's all excited. Oh, nope. My wife just pulled in with the grandkids. 25 cedar boards, guys. They turned out well. If you've ever worked with cedar, you know you're always working around defects, whether it's something like this, but the rest of that board's good. A little bit of waning to get as much of the cedar as I can. Those are the kind of defects you're going to work around, but these boards turned out really nice. I forget how light this stuff is. Sure beats handling oak or that hickory, that's for sure. Cuts fast too. I can cut this pretty quick, but guys, that'll do it. Hopefully you like the content. If you don't mind, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment. I'll answer all the comments. I really enjoy talking to you guys. And if you really like the content, share it with a friend. I hear you, Blue Jay. He's mad. Must be a nest around here. I do have a nest inside my mill shed there. But, okay, guys, take care. We'll see you next time.